Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today I got 3 tips for you to help you out on your automotive journey. Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. Today's quick tip is on how to repack a wheel bearing. So the first thing you're going to need to do is clean the wheel bearing and get as much of the grease out of it as you can. I like to use parts cleaner, a little bit of rags, and wipe it off and then spray it with parts cleaner. Just keep doing this over and over and spin the bearing as you wipe and get as much of the grease out. Then you're going to take some fresh, brand new grease. You're going to make sure it's high temp wheel bearing grease. Then you're going to take a healthy amount and put it in the palm of your hand. Now you're going to take the bearing and you're going to press it into the grease. As you're pressing the bearing into the grease, you want to put pressure on the palm of your hand and pull a little bit and just work the grease into the bearing. And also you may want to flip the bearing over and do it from the opposite direction. So you kind of do it from both directions, and this will get the bearing good and packed. You'll also see the grease come up through the bearing if you look at it, and you may see some of the old grease that may have not been able to get out come out with it. So whenever you're doing repairs, the new parts commonly come with different types of plugs like this. So I like to save assortments of these. That way, if you're doing repairs on something that may leak out, such as these transmission cooler lines here, you can plug those off and seal them up. Then you can take your parts to a proper place to drain the fluids out of them. Or when you're removing the parts from the car, you can cap them off so the fluids don't spill over the engine bay. And after you're done, you can just throw them in a little box like this. And whenever you're looking for problems such as AC leaks or vacuum leaks or a broken wire, you want to look for chafing. So in this case here, this wire loom was laying on top of this AC manifold hose here. And this little clip was supposed to be clipped here and hold the wire loom up. But because the wire loom was popped out of the clip, it chafed on top of this pipe here. So when you're looking for problems, keep this in mind and make sure you look around for chafing such as on this wire loom here. Make sure you're following the How to Automotive Instagram and YouTube page for more valuable tips like this.